How to save file using password in Microsoft Word? I show you here two methods. First method, go to File menu and then click Save As, then click Browse and click down arrow of this tool options and click General option and then type password in these two boxes. I type here 22, again type here 22 and then click OK and type again here 22 and then click OK, again type 22 and then click OK and then click Save Options. Yes, this my file has been set password. I want to close it and open this file. Yes, this document has set password, so type here password 2 times. My password is 22, OK, again 22, then OK. You can see my file has been opened. If you want to remove the password of this documents, go to same locations, go to File, click on Save As, again click Browse and then click down arrow of this tool options and then click General options and then select it and delete these passwords. Select it and delete, again select and delete, then click on OK, then click Save. Yes, this my file password has been removed. I want to show you again. Close this file and open this file. Yes, this document has now opened. Second method, go to File and then click Info, then click Protect Document. Then you will see here Encrypt with password and set your password here. I want to type here 11, click OK, again type 11, then click OK. Then finally click Save Options. Now I want to close this file and again want to open this my file. Password has been set and asking for password. My password is 11. Click OK. File has been opened. If you want to remove this password, go to same location. Again click File, click Info and then click Protect, then click Encrypt with password. You will see your password here. Select it and press delete key and then click OK and save your file again. This document password has been removed. I want to close this file and show you again. Open it. Yes, my document has been opened. This way we can set password in Microsoft Word easily. Thank you.